All right, it's time to complete your sample. So the first thing you're going to do is peel the transfer off the backing paper and then lay it down on your surface. It is repositionable because you can reuse these transfers 8 to 12 times. So you are able to pick it up, put it back down, use it on this little chip, take it off, put it on your window, put it on a jar, whatever you want to use it for, it will stick to anything. So you're going to grab your paste packet and you're going to knead that packet really well. The paste can dry out, so you just want to knead it to mix it all back up, and then just grab a pea size amount, teeny tiny amount will do this project. Then using the enclosed squeegee, you're just going to squeegee your paste through the screen. I hold my squeegee at a 90-degree angle, and you're going to just pull it across so that there's no more excess paste left on top. And then peel to reveal. Look how adorable you did that. No special skills required. So much fun and so easy. Now let's clean our transfer. All you have to do for these small transfers is just clean them with water. You can take it over to the sink if you wish to do that, or sometimes when I'm doing such a small project, I'll just use a little paper towel and a spray bottle, or even a damp paper towel will work. And I just lay it down sticky side up, and I will spray it, wipe the front of it, wipe the back of it. Some colors will stain the transfer. That doesn't affect the reusability of the transfer. It's just that some colors just kind of leave behind a color on the border on that teal portion, but it doesn't affect the usage. So if you get that, don't panic. And then all you're going to do is put your transfer sticky side up and then adhere the backer shiny side down. So shiny side goes to the transfer, and then you are good to go. You can reuse that again. And then for that paste, what you want to do is squeeze out the very top excess on there, and then just fold it over and simply secure it with a paper clip, a binder clip, or anything. And then you can use that paste again. So a little goes a very long way. Hope you enjoyed.